The world of robotics is advancing at a pace that feels like it's been ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. From humanoid robots that can backflip to autonomous machines that promise to revolutionize industries, the race to dominate the future of robotics is heating up. At the forefront of this race are two giants, Tesla and Boston Dynamics. While both companies are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do, their approaches, philosophies, and end goals couldn't be more different. So who's leading the charge? And what does this mean for the future of robotics? Let's dive in. When you think of Boston Dynamics, the first thing that comes to mind is probably their viral videos of robots performing jaw-dropping feats. Remember Atlas? The humanoid robot that can parkour, or Spot, the dog-like robot that can navigate rough terrain with ease? Boston Dynamics has built its reputation on creating robots that are incredibly agile, dynamic, and almost eerily lifelike in their movements. Their focus has always been on mechanical engineering and mobility. Boston Dynamics robots are designed to operate in complex, real-world environments, whether it's climbing stairs, opening doors, or even dancing. Their technology is a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge hardware with sophisticated software. However, Boston Dynamics has faced criticism for being more of a research and development company than a commercial one. While their robots are undeniably impressive, they've struggled to find widespread practical applications. That's starting to change with Spot, which is being used in industries like construction, oil and gas, and even entertainment. But the question remains, can Boston Dynamics transition from making viral videos to making robots that truly integrate into our daily lives? Enter Tesla, the company that brought electric vehicles into the mainstream and is now setting its sights on robotics. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla's robots, particularly the Tesla bot, Optimus, is ambitious to say the least. Unlike Boston Dynamics, Tesla is approaching robotics from the perspective of artificial intelligence and scalability. Tesla's robots are designed to leverage the same AI and neural network technology that powers their self-driving cars. The idea is to create a humanoid robot that can perform repetitive or dangerous tasks, essentially serving as a general-purpose helper in homes, factories, and beyond. Musk has even suggested that Optimus could eventually outnumber humans, becoming a ubiquitous part of society. What sets Tesla apart is its ability to mass-produce and integrate robotics into existing ecosystems. Tesla's expertise in manufacturing and AI gives them a unique edge in creating robots that are not only advanced but also affordable and practical. However, Tesla's robotics efforts are still in their infancy. While Optimus has been unveiled in prototype form, it's yet to demonstrate the kind of agility and versatility that Boston Dynamics robots are known for. The competition between Tesla and Boston Dynamics isn't just about who can build the better robot. It's a clash of philosophies. Boston Dynamics is focused on perfecting the mechanics and mobility of robots. Their approach is rooted in creating machines that can navigate and interact with the physical world in ways that mimic living beings. Tesla, on the other hand, is betting big on AI and scalability. Their goal is to create robots that can learn, adapt, and perform a wide range of tasks, all while being produced at scale. In many ways, these two approaches complement each other. Boston Dynamics excels at the physical side of robotics, while Tesla is a leader in AI and neural networks. The future of robotics may not be about one company winning, but rather about how these technologies can converge to create robots that are both agile and intelligent. Both companies are already making waves with their robots in real-world scenarios. Boston Dynamics Spot, for example, is being used in construction sites for inspections, in hospitals for remote patient monitoring, and even by police departments for dangerous situations. Its ability to navigate uneven terrain and carry payloads makes it a versatile tool for industries that require precision and reliability. Tesla's Optimus, while still in development, has the potential to revolutionize industries like elderly care, warehouse automation, and even household chores. Imagine a robot that can fold your laundry, assist with grocery shopping, or help an elderly person with daily tasks, all while learning and adapting to new challenges. When comparing Tesla and Boston Dynamics, it's clear that each company brings unique strengths to the table. Boston Dynamics has set the gold standard for robotic mobility, creating machines that can perform feats of agility and dexterity that seem almost superhuman. Their robots are a marvel of mechanical engineering, but their high cost and limited commercial applications have been a hurdle. Tesla, on the other hand, is approaching robotics from a completely different angle. Their focus on AI and scalability positions them to create robots that are not only intelligent, but also accessible to a broader audience. While their robots may not yet match the physical prowess of Boston Dynamics' creations, Tesla's ability to integrate robotics into their existing ecosystem of products gives them a significant advantage. As robots become more advanced, their impact on society will be profound. Job displacement is a significant concern, as robots could automate many roles in manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. While this could lead to increased efficiency, it also raises questions about unemployment and the need for reskilling workers. Ethical concerns are another critical area to consider. Should robots have rights? How do we ensure they are used responsibly? These are questions that will need to be addressed as robots become more integrated into our lives. Economically, the rise of robotics could lead to a new industrial revolution, creating new industries while rendering others obsolete. Companies and governments will need to adapt to these changes to ensure a smooth transition. The future of robotics is incredibly exciting, and both Tesla and Boston Dynamics are playing pivotal roles in shaping it. Imagine a world where Boston Dynamics' mechanical expertise is combined with Tesla's AI capabilities. The result could be robots that are not only physically capable, but also highly intelligent and adaptable. Whether it's Tesla's Optimus helping with household chores, or Boston Dynamics' Spot assisting in disaster relief, robots are poised to become an integral part of our lives. As robots become more advanced, questions about their impact on jobs, privacy, and society will become increasingly important. Both companies will need to address these challenges as they push the boundaries of what's possible. The rivalry between Tesla and Boston Dynamics is more than just a battle for supremacy. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics. While Boston Dynamics continues to amaze us with their mechanical marvels, Tesla is betting on a future where robots are as common as smartphones. Ultimately, the winner of this race may not be one company or the other, but humanity as a whole. As these two giants push each other to innovate, we're inching closer to a world where robots are no longer the stuff of science fiction, but an everyday reality. So who's leading the charge? The answer might just be both. And that's what makes the future of robotics so thrilling to watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.